conducted primaries. No other party conducted primaries. They were either appointed or they were replacements. And I'm assuring you, the God that we serve, and I've told him, if I am going to be governor, and self-aggrandizement will be my watchword, corruption is what I'm going there to do. May the Almighty God not take me there. But if I am going to go there, and I will be a voice for the voiceless, and I will make the people of Kogi State smile, and I will restore local government administration back to the people, and I will make sure that there is no percentage salary, and I will make sure that everybody that has been illegally expelled or removed as a civil servant is brought back, because we serve the God of justice. If that is the reason why I want to go there, we will get there in the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, in the name of God the Holy Ghost. Amen. By Thursday next week, I am going to give Aiyetoro community 50 solar lights.